Here we are visiting Shwedagon. Is that right?
Yeah.
Pagoda, the biggest pagoda in Yangon, and maybe the most important. Today's a special day. What's that?
It's very really busy.
Really busy. Everybody has come here, so we're gonna check it out. Leave your sandals in the car. Big bell. Construction devices. What is this, Phoo?
The officiation ceremony.
For who?
People.
For who?
For the kids, especially for the sons, boys. Look, film this car. We lost Nini.
They're gonna give an offering to the Buddha. Phoo, are they going to dance?
No.
Oh, they look like they're gonna dance. Construction. I have been to many pagodas in Myanmar. It is for sure the most popular activity, and there are just so many. It's really unbelievable. But this one is by far the biggest one I've seen. So it's like all of the other pagodas times 10. This is like the St. Paul's Cathedral of the UK. Something like that. We have just been stopped by the security guard. I thought it's because I'm a foreigner and I haven't paid for the extra ticket. But in fact, it's because Phoo's dress is a little bit too short. So she has to wear a long dress. Spirits on their way to heaven. Who said there wasn't an elevator in heaven? This is a special novitiation ceremony. So all of the little boys we see here and maybe girls are in fact orphans, because a big part of what the monastery does is take care of orphans. So there's some little girls and boys. So this is a very special novitiation ceremony. Why are you wearing that?
They tell me to do it.
Hello.
Hello.
Where you stay? Emဝင်ကြီးဆောင်ngoàiလား Foreigner emဝင်ကြီးဆောင်
အော်မဆောင်ရသေးဘူး
စားတယ်ဒီမနေ့လိုက်ခဲ့ပါလား
Here the people are praying to the stupa.
That place, okay?
We're going to go find a Buddha statue which Phoo's mum
Made a wish at
made a wish at. She made a wish that she would have 2 children.
2 children.
Two children.
One is son. The first one is son, and 3 years later, she asked for a girl, and she even asked that the son will look alike mom, and daughter will be alike dad, like that. And she
And did it
always.
come true?
Yeah, she always
and it
said
came true.
to us, "Oh, you are from that pagoda."
Shwedagon.
Yeah, not a particular statue in Shwedagon. So yeah.
Fascinating. Here the females Here's a beautiful big banyan tree. The banyan tree where Buddha found enlightenment, and here is a Buddha image underneath a banyan tree. Is this the Buddha that your mum prayed at? So you may wonder why thousands and thousands of people are here today. Today, full moon day, is a good day for doing good deeds. And by doing good deeds, you will get good karma, and you will have a more hopeful future.
Statue my mom wished at.
Okay. Are you going to go and pray, worship, give an offering? So this Buddha here, as you can see, oh, it's not this one. It's this one. good deeds. The Shwedagon Pogoda, like lots of pagodas that have this stupa form. A stupa is like that thing in the middle that points to the sky, and I think it represents the stages up to enlightenment. But we're now on like the third quarter, and I say quarter for a reason, because it's a very symmetrical structure, and it kind of becomes a bit repetitive after a while, but still some amazing things to see. I mean, look at that. Follow the bearded man.
Sit somewhere and pay homage.
Okay.
You see a monk? Food place after this. You see it?
Mm-hmm.
Let's go.
I've heard it been said that one of the objectives of a religious building is to point our eyes towards the sky. With a final prayer or homage to the Shwedagon Pogoda, it is time for us to leave this place. I hope you've enjoyed this journey around the Shwedagon Pogoda. It's a very interesting religion and a very interesting country. And as you can see, a very religious people. Look at the colours, the sights and the sounds.